Hello, I'm Wilbo86 and I'm developing a video game. Today I'd like to pitch it to you and maybe gauge if there's some interest in a title like this. This game's called Thryscyte. Follows this triangle you see on the menu screen through a roguelite adventure through connected maps in a similar run style to Slay the Spire. For the actual gameplay and systems, the target is to be an Exile-Like, in that you'll use weapons you collect in action combat against hordes of enemies and bosses on each map to build an extremely powerful character that can take on a rapidly scaling environment and set of enemies. The completed game will feature many of the same deep and rewarding character progression systems as its inspirer, such as skill tree and itemization, with a priority on streamlining access to deterministic item crafting and skill tree maneuverability to account for the fact that a character will need constantly, rapidly, and adaptively to improve exponentially against ever improving enemies in an hour-long run. There's not yet a Steam page for you to visit and wishlist. That'll be for another time. Today, all I want to do is introduce the idea, put a visual of the game in front of you to let you know that, I'm making it. I expect not to make another video targeting a general gaming audience until a while after this comes out, and I would expect that video to be a more focused gameplay showcase of maybe a full run of the game with some commentary that can hopefully capture what I expect the experience to be like at the launch of the game. The next videos coming out of this channel in the immediate future will likely be one of two types: very technical explanations and a showcase of some features that I work on, if they're particularly challenging, or maybe a philosophical discussion of game design goals that I have for the project. Anyway, I'm trying to keep this first video kind of short, and I hope it wasn't a complete waste of your time. In close, I implore you, if you were intrigued by maybe something you heard in the video or even something you saw in this basic background footage where I test the elemental ailment feature that I've been working on recently, that you would either leave a like or a share on the video, maybe a comment letting me know that you're interested in this idea here. Maybe some combination of those. Overall, thank you for your time, and please have a good day.